So we're pulling up and we're gonna go in the front of the building, let you guys see where we actually film. This side right here is all the offices and the warehouse, and we're gonna go through the front door. We're gonna go into the back to the filming area. We're not gonna bother the guys that are doing sales and order taking and stuff today, but we'll park here. All right guys, so we're at the shop. I'm gonna get this car moved. I'm gonna get this one down and we're gonna get into the engine bay. And if you remember in the last video, we put a Cusco brace on this BRZ. Well, we're gonna finish the Perrin brace on that because we have the actual special engine cover from Perrin. So I'm gonna show you guys that today. So last video, we put all this carbon accessories, the ARMASPEED air intake, we put the carbon strut bar from Cusco, this piece from REXPEED, which is the engine cover, which I'm going to talk to you guys about in the new video on the Perrin strut bar, because it actually comes in really, really low, so there's clearance issues, so I want to make sure you guys are aware of that. We also put this on. This is a REXPEED product, and we did all these, we test fitted all these billet caps also. These are from Billet Works, so those are available on our site as well. So let's get this car down and we'll finish the engine bay, get the Perrin on. Also, you guys always see this. No one's ever commented what is under the cover. If this video gets like 1,000 likes, we'll show you guys what's under this cover. So today, I'm gonna show you guys, I actually looked in the box already. There's a REXPEED carbon cover. I'm gonna show you guys these. Let me set this somewhere. So this is pretty cool. This is available in a red and a black. So let's put this on our key fob. Let's put the red one on. So I have no idea how this works yet. Okay, so far so good. Oh, nice. Pretty easy. It's pretty cool. Very smooth and clean. The edges, there's no rough edges on it. It's a good quality product. Let's see what the black one looks like. Let's see how I get this apart. Look at this. This one's got the lines in it and the red one's like solid. So I don't know if they're gonna be two options or whatever, but two different things. Let's check this out. So pop this one out again. Oh, that's pretty cool. And it fits just as good as the red one. Is it in there all the way? Not. It's not in there yet. There it is. That's pretty cool. I like the red one though. So today, like, we're not doing any cleanup before we film and stuff. I just kind of told Jose, who's our filmer, to kind of just, let's do a little bit of raw footage. So yeah, actually, as you can see, this is just sitting on here right now. And the issue was the factory piece has a clearance issue, and I'll show that to you guys. But this is how the Perrin strut tower bar becomes available in a fluorescent yellow like this, a red, a black, and I believe a carbon version as well. If this piece, this is the OEM cover here, it's got these three little pins. And if you put this brace in, once you drop this in place, it's really actually tight and it's actually touching and it could cause some rubbing. It looks like it clears. I think I got a close-up of it in the last video, but Perrin actually sells a specific part that goes in here. So that's what we're gonna install today and we're gonna get at it right now. So this is, I already opened the black one. This is available black, red, and maybe a couple other colors. I'll put a link below on all these things. But what this is a special cover that's gonna go underneath the brace. So we're gonna finish this, we're gonna install it. Looks like they want us to put this together, put this piece on, and looks like those, I don't know what that is called, but that's how we gotta do it. We gotta follow their instructions. We need to put this screw through here, and then we need to put it on this unit. So some assembly required. A couple notes, the Cusco brace fits. And a lot of the other braces did not fit this car, with the new FA24 motor in it. So let's figure these all out. These guys are gonna drop in here like this. And from the bottom side, we're gonna put these three things in. These are, well, let me show you exactly what these are. What we're doing is we're trying to replicate this. So these had some plastic units, and that's what we're doing so that this can mount into the factory holes. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. There's actually not that much space, which is kind of, I don't know if we did something wrong here. There's only a couple spins. So let's get all these guys in there. Let's line up these Perrin logos. I think they got enough logos on the front here. What I always do is I always spin it just a little bit that way, and then when it tightens, when it actually grips, it turns it just a little bit more. Let's get this guy in place. So they made this specifically for the 2022. This will, actually I don't know if this will or will not fit, but this is specifically for the 2022, so let's get this on. Let's take a look at it. That's pretty cool. I think it looks neat. So let's finish getting this bar on so you can actually see the difference in the clearance. I can put my whole hand through here now. So there, not really, but enough to get some spacing. So now we just got to put these brackets back on, these top pieces. And the way this is, if you want to get in here, I can show you. This ties into the factory strut brace, come this way. And you can see like the two bolts that actually hold this machine piece down. So when we do this, we're just putting this back in place. And then we're just putting this cap on. And then with these particular screws that they gave with the kit, we're just gonna get it down. So what do you guys think? I actually like this quite a bit. The yellow specifically goes with our theme. We got the yellow stickers on our Volk wheels. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like this brace, I like this. It's really clean looking now. And again, this is available in a couple different colors. I'll make sure to put a website down, or I'll make sure to put a link down below. So guys, I just wanted to show you, this is the red version. So if you're interested in that and having that look, and if you get the red bar, if you get a carbon bar, it's a nice deep red. It's kind of like a STI red, I think. So just want to show you guys that. All right, I got a tip that a lot of you guys probably don't know about. On the first gen cars, you can actually, when you're working on your car, you can actually remove this. Okay, so you pull this out. Okay, and then you reposition it. I think it was this spot. No, sorry. It's here. You drop that down here, just like that. And you bring this up, and this specifically fits right here. So at the dealership, that's what they do, and they need to work on your engine bay. You need to let more light in. So that's just a little trick. The old cars used to do that, so the new one, obviously the same thing. If you knew about that, comment OG86 down below. Let's get this up in the air. One of the next things we're gonna do is we're gonna do another exhaust install. I know we've done a ton of them, but I think we're gonna do one of the HKS, the Spec L, one of the single exits, one of those two, but let's get it up in the air. And that's something that these exhausts, we put them on the car, we do put some miles on them to give you guys some feedback and things like that. And I know in a couple videos ago, you guys commented some HKS stuff, so we're gonna get on that right now. This is, right now everything on this car is OEM. From the front of the cat back, well, yeah, from the cat back front is all OEM, and we don't plan on touching that. We wanted to, I'm just gonna make a note, in all of our videos, we want them all to be very similar. We don't wanna all of a sudden throw a front pipe on it, and then the exhaust sounds different when you're kind of comparing some videos. So we want you guys to actually hear the full exhaust. So what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna get this MBRP off, and we're gonna get plugging away on the next video. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe, and appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.